If you want to become a data engineer in 2026, stop learning random tutorials. You need Python and you need to learn it correctly. Now, most popular courses you see don't actually get you job ready, but these four do. They take you from I barely know Python to I can build real pipelines companies pay for. So, let's get into it. Course 1, the full skills stack. You want to start here. This is DataCamp's Data Engineer for Python, and it's the course that I wish I started with. I've talked about it in other videos. Seriously, it is the best one to do. So if you want a clean, structured way into data engineering, this is where you start. So what exactly is it? It's a complete path through Python, SQL, Spark, ETL pipelines, and real-world workflows. It's interactive, hands-on, and it's built around DataCamp's Data Engineer certification, which is industry recognized. So if we get into the pros and cons of it, pros, we have real-world coding projects. So real coding, real projects. Everything you learn is reinforced through practical exercises that mirror industry workflows. Now, the second one is structured progression. So you always know what to learn next, which removes the confusion people get from patching together random tutorials. It's 1, 2, 3, step by step to get you there to get a real job. Also, it covers the entire pipeline end to end. So that's raw data, cleaning, storage, transformation, orchestration, the full life cycle. And now one subscription here unlocks everything, which is one of my favourite parts about DataCamp. You pay for one subscription monthly and you get access to a bunch of courses, not just in data engineering, and AI, and cloud, and everything tech. Now, these skills, they transfer directly to real jobs, and that's why you get the certification. So it's the closest thing to an onboarding path for a junior data engineer. The cons, the only con really, is that it's a self-study certification, self-study course. So you need consistency, right? But the problem normally with self-study is that you have to sit and do it all yourself. Whereas they make it interactive, they make it real, so that you actually have the motivation to then develop the dedication to follow the course through, versus just watching some lectures online. So my verdict here essentially is that if you're serious about data engineering, start here. Right, course number 2 is also a DataCamp course, and this is for complete beginners to Python, right? This is Python Data Fundamentals by DataCamp. This specific course is a beginner-friendly track covering Python syntax, functions, loops, debugging, and the data structures you use constantly as a data engineer. Now, pros on this side, perfect for total beginners. If you know nothing, this is the perfect course for you. Fast, interactive lessons. As we've just spoken about, DataCamp, they introduce dynamic, interactive lessons so that you actually want to do the work. Also, no filler content. So this is just fundamentals and it's made for fundamentals. None of this padding it out to make it feel bigger and better than it is. Just giving you the raw essentials you need to know. Finally, it teaches core patterns used in every ETL pipeline. Things like lists, dictionaries, loops, conditionals, the backbones of pipeline logic. Now, the cons here, of course, it's self-study again, but they mitigate that by making it interactive. But also, if you already know Python, I'd probably give this one a miss because it's a fundamentals course. But again, it's under the one subscription, so start here, do this course, and then next month move on to the Python data engineering course. So my verdict essentially is if you don't have strong Python fundamentals, you're going to want to start here. So our third course now is the Practical Pipeline Builder. So this is a Udemy course, Data Engineering Essentials, SQL, Python, and Spark. It's a project-driven course covering, as I said, SQL, Python, scripting, PySpark, ETL, transformations, and how full workflows fit together. Pros is very hands-on, so you'll actually create and run full pipelines. And it's a great intro to Spark, which uses Python, right? So if you're writing, you need to understand Python to then use PySpark. You'll build real pipeline logic, so extracting and cleaning data, and then actually writing it out. And you'll build a strong portfolio here as well, so there's a good portfolio value in this specific course, and you'll finish with tangible projects. The cons, it's less structured than DataCamp, it's more free form and instructor driven. And Udemy, you can buy it as a one off, and you can get a subscription if you'd rather that for the Udemy, the entire platform. But Udemy is more like a distributed platform for courses. It's not as uh, centralized as DataCamp, which can be good, but it also means that it's kind of instructor dependent. So anyway, if you want to understand ETL actually looks like in code, this is the most practical bridge between the fundamentals and real engineering. Now our final course here, number 4, is a Coursera course, and that is data analysis with Python. Now don't get caught up in the word analysis, just think about this as Python and data, which are the fundamentals required for data engineering. So it's a Python data manipulation course teaching pandas, NumPy, handling messy data, shaping data frames, and building transformations that show up in every workflow. So pros and cons, pros, clear explanations. So it's great for understanding why data behaves the way that it does. Number 2 is master pandas and NumPy fast. Now these are essential libraries used in Python for essential logic, right? Essential transformation logic. Now, the third one is that it teaches transformation logic, which is used everywhere. Additionally, it's the perfect bridge before working at scale with Spark. So, big data tools require strong small data fundamentals. Remember that. As for cons, it is branded as analysis. It is more geared towards data analysis, but it gives you that fundamental understanding of data processing using Python, which is essential for every data engineer. So this course, it really turns the I know Python into I know how to manipulate data using Python, which again, essential for data engineering. So if you want a clean, frustration-free path into data engineering in 2026, this is the stack that I recommend. Start with DataCamp, build your fundamentals, learn data manipulation, real pipelines, and then learn how to scale. And all of these fundamentals should be learned in Python. The links will be down in the description for all of these courses. Go and check them out and let me know what you think. And let me know the courses that you recommend and that you've done to actually get into data engineering. Anyway, hit like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.